How to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile section. So what you simply need to do is tap on the Reel section. And if you want to remove the Instagram reel from your profile kit, what you can simply do is make a long press on the reel or just tap on the reel, tap on three dotted lines, and here you can see the option of remove from main grid. So select on that. Now as you do that, it will be removed from the main grid and will be visible only on the reel section. So as you can see, the reel has been removed from the profile grid. Now if you want to add it back, simply tap on the reel section again, tap on that reel, tap on three dotted lines and add to main grid. And there you go. Now you can just check on the main grid, just refresh the page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.